Welcome everyone, Ed here with Michelle. Today we are in Parma Heights, Ohio, and we are going old school, big time at the Whip Family Restaurant. I've always said that I like supporting the old family-owned restaurants. Well, today we're gonna do that again. We're gonna get to meet the owner and eat some old school cooking. Hey Michelle, homemade style.
Sounds good to me.
All right, let's go check it out. Okay, right away they say masks required. Good to know. There's Michelle. How you doing?
Hi. I haven't seen you in a while. How you been? Okay?
Oh, pretty good. How you been?
We're doing okay, honey.
Yeah. Well,
Get a new toy for Christmas?
yeah, we're gonna make a little blog on your restaurant over here.
Okay.
Hopefully Alan will show up so we could get him on camera.
Good. Yeah. When are you guys coming back to do the? I haven't seen you.
I have no idea. It's really up to him, you know. What do you recommend that we get here? We want to try.
Well, I was telling her I just turned the fryer on. It'll take about 10 minutes to get the fryer started.
Oh, we're not in a hurry or anything like
Okay.
that.
This one's the breakfast. That's the dinner. You want another lunch, honey?
Okay.
What kind of soup do you have today?
Vegetable beef or tomato?
Cool.
Here's his-
Thank you.
You want something to drink, honey?
A water.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna let them get set up over here, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, they got the starters over here. See, they basically serve everything, you know, for morning, lunch, dinner. They got breakfast going, basically until closing. But I already had a lunch earlier, and I am not in the mood for breakfast at 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm looking at, well, getting a soup. That beef vegetable soup sounded good, Michelle. And maybe a sandwich. Like a BLT is like $5.45. Tuna sandwich, $4.95. Very reasonable prices. And then their dinner section in the back. I see right away Michelle is looking at the liver and onions in the back.
No.
Chopped steak, fried chicken, 4 pieces. Average price goes between $8.95 and $10.95. Center cut pork chops, $10.95. French fried shrimp, 7 pieces, jumbo, $10.95. Sirloin steak, $11.95. Veal Parmesan with spaghetti, Michelle, $10.95.
What's that?
We're both gonna get the veggie soup beef. Yeah, for both of us.
Okay.
They got the regular specials for today. Today is Monday. Meatloaf, potato, soup, and salad for $9.95. Spaghetti and meatball with soup or salad for $9.95. Of course, the veggie beef and the tomato soup. And one bowl is $3.35. And of course, they have their daily breakfast specials from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. 1 large egg, bacon, toast, and small orange juice. $4.49. That's pretty reasonable. 2 eggs, bacon, toast, for almost the same price. Well, it is the same price. And 2 eggs, bacon, toast, and ham home fries, $4.99. Pretty good deals here at the Whip Family Restaurant in Parma Heights, Ohio. I was looking around in the dining room, and he's got some nice write-ups in the Parma Sun Post. It's the usual at the Whip. 60 years on Pearl Road's Eatery. And there's a picture of the owner, Mohammed Alam. I know the family personally for many years, and they're good people, and they really put service and quality ahead of everything else. But the Whip Restaurant, man, if that article came out maybe 10 years ago, so you're looking at 70 years in Northeast Ohio. That's pretty impressive. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Our waitress is also the cook here too. Did I startle you?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job though. He always said it would be good for me to let him take some pictures of the food being cooked. See how it's actually, the nerve center of the restaurant. Okay.
There you
Cool.
go. The crocodile.
I scared her a little bit. Wow, the soup came out really quick. So what do you think? Did you try it yet?
Nope.
Okay, give it a shot and see how it goes. The veggie beef soup here at the Whip Restaurant.
Good.
You like it?
Yes.
I guess
Nice and tender.
I'm gonna take my mask off.
Nice and tender, the meat and the vegetables.
Look at that piece of carrot in there. Wow.
Tender, isn't it?
And I don't even like carrots, but that was good. You know, it wasn't salty either. It's got a lot of green beans in there. You know I like my green beans. And it doesn't even need the crackers. Good stuff here at the Whip. Hey, Michelle?
Yes, it is.
All right. Our dinners came with bread, Michelle. Want to give you an inside look on the bread here. There you go. I'm going to try it without the butter. It's kind of sweet, but it does need the butter. All right. Michelle's home fries are cooking. This woman over here is our waitress, our server, well, it's a waitress server, the cook, hostess, everything. She's running this entire place all by herself. And then they got the bacon cooking over here, and this chicken, my fries are over there, and Michelle's chicken is over there. And your name is?
Selena.
Nice to meet you. You are doing such a good job.
Yeah, thank
You're running this entire place by yourself. She's like Wonder Woman of the restaurant world. So what did you think of your salad there, Michelle?
The follow-up on it has no croutons, which is good because that's a carb. But it's just a basic salad, you know, what you get typically. And a lot of more healthier except for the ranch, but that's okay. But it's good.
So what you are saying to me, to a person that maybe isn't watching their diet, this salad isn't, it's kind of like, shouldn't expect too much from it then. You know? I'm glad that you put food in your mouth so you could talk.
Yeah. If you like dressing, highly recommend it, but
Yeah.
you should get it on the side because it is coated.
In my opinion, they put too much dressing on there. I mean, calories alone with that ranch they put on there just destroyed your diet right there. So,
Yeah.
how do you know you're in an old school restaurant? When they still have a working payphone. Yep. It still works. What are the odds of that? Well, actually, the odds are pretty good. When you walk in here and you see how, look at these booths over here. You got the old school, I don't know if this is leather or vinyl or whatever, but I feel like I'm in a 50s diner in here with this setup over here. And there's Michelle. The food just came out, everybody, and wow, the smell. I feel like this is better than Kentucky Fried Chicken. I know that God is going to strike me down with lightning, and that phone is going to come in. It's weird after I said that the phone started ringing. Okay.
It's God.
Yeah, the god of restaurants. Okay. But yeah, the BLT came out.
What kind of bread did you get?
On wheat.
And that's something new because it's always
Well,
on.
I always get BLT. I mean, I always get wheat. At home, that's all that we eat is wheat, right?
Yeah, but they always give you white bread when you have.
They gave me an option. They said white, wheat, or rye, or whatever it was. So, did you try your chicken yet, Michelle?
No, it's scalding hot. Okay, I'm trying a wing.
What did you think? It's got a crispy sound to it. Now let me take a bite out of my BLT and see how we do. Okay. Oh yeah. It's a BLT. Simple. I'm not expecting the world here, but it is good. Crispy. Not hard to chew. And you know what? They didn't add salt on it. That's a bonus in my book right there. Hey, Michelle? Are you doing all right over there?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Did you try your potatoes over there? Your hash browns? I didn't see you do that, so take the fork and stick it in there and see how that goes. Very nice. Did you like it?
Yes.
Is it hot?
Very hot.
Oh, good. The Whip Family Restaurant in Pearl Road in Parma Heights, Ohio. Good eats here in Parma, Ohio. So, what did you think of the Whip Restaurant today, Michelle?
It was good. It was well worth it. I'm glad we came onto the west side to try a west side restaurant. It was very good. I liked it.
You had the chicken.
The 4-piece chicken with hash browns and a little bit of veg. Now that's something new.
Yeah.
But, and a salad with ranch dressing and a vegetable beef soup.
Would you come back here again?
Yes.
So would I. Yes, it would. I really did enjoy the soup, just so you know. We both had the same thing, and again, it wasn't salty. It was tasty. It didn't need any extra seasoning. And look at that. Look at all these crackers. I didn't need them. Not necessary. It was good without it. They had enough veggies in there to be a meal right there in itself. And the BLT was perfect. I didn't expect a lot. It was just what I ordered. Just a BLT, straight and simple. So would you definitely recommend this place to someone else?
Absolutely. Hey, if you're in the mood for some good home cooking,
Yeah.
this is the place to try.
$26 for all that we had here today. I think it's a very fairly priced restaurant to go to, yeah. So if you're in the Parma Heights area on Pearl Road, I strongly recommend you check out the Whip Restaurant. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and by all means, hit the like button for the Whip Restaurant too. They really would love to see you come in here and support them too.
And tell them that Ed and Michelle from the Green Indoors sent you.
Thanks a lot, everybody, for watching. Have a great indoors day. Bye.